is Rajesh Patnaik. So in the previous class we understand what is a C language and why should we go for the C language. So I will tell you the basic things, everything regarding the C language. First and foremost thing, these are the topics we have to understand regarding the C language. First we need to understand what is the introduction of C. So later we will go and understand the different basic programs and basics we will understand. Later we will understand the control statements or control structures in C language. Next we will understand the arrays concept, and why should we use an arrays? What is the problem with the normal program? Why should we move for the arrays? There is a problem of a data leakage. I will tell you what is data leakage and why should we go for the arrays. And later we will understand the functions concepts in C language. So why should we go for a function? So how many types of functions are there? And all the things we will understand under the functions. And macros, come to macros. What is a macros? So what is argumented macros, what is unargumented macros? In C language we will definitely understand what is that. And next thing is storage classes. So storage classes, generally we use the storage classes in C language programs. Those are these things. Next we have a pointers concept. Pointers is very essential subject in C language. So many people is telling that pointers is a difficult concept in C language, but it is very easy to understand the pointers concept. So I will explain you the programs and everything in the pointers concept, and after that we will go and understand structures, enumerations and unions like derived data types, and followed by files concept. What is a files, how to go for the files and interact with the files concept, and finally we are going to understand the command line arguments in C language. So this is the entire syllabus. We will start with the introduction to C language.